Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the polythene and plastics. Poly plus ethene is example of plastic. So plastics also we have discussed. Arrangement of plastics is two types. One is a linear and cross-linked arrangements also we have discussed, and polythene also completed. Today I am going to discuss about the thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. What is the thermoplastics? What is the thermosetting plastics? I will discuss today. Okay. So first one, thermoplastics. Thermoplastics. What is the thermoplastics? Plastics which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. What is the thermoplastics? Which plastics gets deformed easily on heating? When we are heating, that plastic gets deformed easily and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. So what is the example of thermoplastics? Polythene and PVC are the examples of thermoplastics. Polythene means many ethylene units are repeated. And what is the PVC? PVC full form is a polyvinyl chloride. P means poly, V means vinyl, C means chloride. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Okay. What is the definition of thermoplastics? Plastic which gets deformed plastics which gets deformed plastics which gets deformed easily plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily and can bend easily are known as thermoplastics. Plastics which gets deformed easily on heating and can bend easily are known as thermoplastics. What are the examples of thermoplastics? Polythene and PVC. Polythene and PVC. What is the PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. This is a thermoplastics. Next one, thermosetting plastics. And here thermoplastic they are used for manufacturing of ties, combs and various types of containers. So what is the use of thermoplastics? These are used in the manufacturing of toys, and combs and various types of containers. Container also we can prepare, and various types of containers. Also we can prepare. These are used in the manufacture of ties, combs and various types of containers. And next one is thermosetting plastics. Next one, thermosetting plastics. First one is a thermoplastics, second one is a thermosetting plastics. What is the thermosetting plastics? How can you define the thermosetting plastics? The plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating, these are called thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics examples is a bakelite and melamine. What is the thermosetting plastics? Once again I will give the definition. Which plastics when molded once cannot be softened by heating. Which plastics are when molded ones cannot be softened by heating, these are called thermosetting plastics. These are called thermosetting plastics. Plastics which are molded ones plastics which are molded ones plastics which are molded ones cannot be softened by heating, cannot be softened by heating. Plastics which are molded ones cannot be softened by heating. These are called thermosetting plastics. These are called thermosetting plastics. So what is the examples? Examples of thermosetting plastics. One is a bakelite and melamine. Bakelite and melamine. Bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils, and etc. Okay. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils, and etc. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists the fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware, and fabrics which resist fire. And this is a bakelite use, and melamine use is it is a versatile material. Melamine is a versatile material. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire. Melamine versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. Can tolerate heat better than other plastics. Better than other plastics. Better than other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles. It is used for making floor tiles. Making floor tiles. In the floor tiles, we are using the melamine and kitchenware. And kitchenware and fabrics. Kitchenware and fabrics. Kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. Which resist fire. Okay. See the thermosetting plastics. Plastics which are molded ones cannot be softened by heating. These are called thermosetting plastic. Bakelite and melamine is an example for thermosetting plastics. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than the other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. Okay, different thermoplastics is there, different thermosetting plastics is there. This is about the thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics.